Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Videos about Instagram IGTV. A new feature by Instagram named as IGTV is just like creating YouTube channel and earning money online. With this feature, you can create your own video channel and option to upload videos up to 60 minutes and make money online from it. So let's start with the video. Open Instagram and here you will see IGTV icon. Start sharing to IGTV. Get started. Create your channel. Create channel. Upload videos. Videos must be vertical and between 15 seconds to 10 minutes. Drag and drop video file. Cover photo here. Details, title, description. Make visible on IGTV and Facebook page. Save draft or post. Video must be vertical and between 15 seconds and 10 minutes long. What are the video upload requirements? Video must be between 15 seconds and 10 minutes long, but note, larger accounts and verified account can upload up to 60 minutes, but must be uploaded from computer in MP4 file format. Video resolution and size given here. Cover photo size. How to create channel. How to upload videos. How to upload from app. All other details of IGTV are given here. You can read them as yourself. So you see, this is how you can create your own IGTV video channel on Instagram, just like YouTube channels. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.